Find the quotient of function. Ang given number 1, f of x equals 12x raised to third power and g of x equals 4x raised to fifth power. So, ang unang gagawin natin, step 1, ating munang define ang ating quotient of function. So, that is f over g of x equals f of x over g of x. Next, substitute natin ang ating given function, that is 12x raised to third power over 4x raised to fifth power. Ngayon, divide natin ang numerical coefficient 12 divided by 4, that is 3. Ngayon, yung variable, dahil mayroon sa exponent, gagamitin natin ang laws of exponent. So, pag nag-divide tayo ng variable na may exponent, ating nasasubtract ang kanilang exponent. The same ang base. Then, subtract natin ang exponent, 5 minus 3, that is 2. Therefore, the final answer, 3x squared. Ito po ang final answer. Next, number 2 is your turn. Comment your answer.